Si Mami ko, birthday wish mo para kay... kay Steph.
Go, Betty!
Good. Hello. Good health, tapos... maging mabait, God-fearing, responsible. Ayun. Happy birthday, baby! Palakpakan naman natin si Mami at saka si Daddy. Alright, yan. So, syempre, bago i-vlog, Miss Steph ang kanyang kanta. Sabay-sabay natin yung sigaw na Happy Birthday, Steph! 1, 2, 3, go!
Happy birthday, Steph!
Alright, Steph, you may now blow your candle. 1, 2, 3, and blow!